Hey, today we're going through a one-room apartment which goes for 2,500 per month, and this is the caretaker showing me the units remaining. So this is the first one, as you guys can see. That is the entrance, and I'm basically just going to be showing you guys the space inside because there's really not much to say about it. So this is the floor space area, as you guys can see, and yeah, it's just basically the space like I said. And the key to actually live here, I'll say, is to have or to live a minimalistic kind of lifestyle, just not to make the room look or feel too overcrowded. So this is the common balcony space, and this is the hallway walk to the various units that they have, and that is the caretaker showing me what is available as at now. They have like 70% of the apartments already taken. This is the space inside, and the units are actually these. They have DSTV installed in them. I'm going to show you guys the socket. There you go. So you have two sockets, and that's DSTV on, and the opposite apartment also is vacant, just in case anyone is interested in. So I'd actually love to add that in such an apartment, it will actually save you a lot of space if you can manage to get those sofa sets that can turn into bed, sofa set come bed. Yeah, so just you don't have, because there's really no space to have both sofa set and bed, so it will save you a lot if you can actually play around with space and play around with storage, you know. Yeah. So this is the common washing space for your utensils, and you have two sinks which have water. Water here comes, I think, 4 days per week, and we also have common washrooms, 2 toilets, 2 bathrooms. This is the first bathroom. At least they try to put, you know, tiles inside the bathroom and not inside the apartment. This is the second bathroom, as you guys can see. This is the common hanging lines. This is the first washroom. I love the fact that it's not the seat that you have to sit on it, and also there is that small drainage just to remove the water that sits on top there. Yeah, they have 2 washrooms. This is the first one, and this is the second one. That pipe leads inside for those guys who love using water